Chevrolet 1954. Check it out. First, let's show this billboard. Took a time to make one of these up. Even the engine is candy. I know what that top thing is. That looks nice. Oh, painted out like that. Reminds me of a candy apple. I want to sink my teeth in. Oh wow. Those seats actually look inviting. And roomy and nice. They're all beautiful, but even I am very, very fond of certain things. Now there would be a spacious, yummy trunk for grocery shopping or anything. Till next episode, this is Willis signing off. Stay tuned for more.